A warm good afternoon to one and all. Today we are going to tell some mind-blowing facts about the American deep state. Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg of Meta, earlier known as Facebook. He himself has confessed that he, along with other big tech companies, are part of the American deep state. As we told earlier, the American deep state, the CIA, FBI, and other state secret assets of the American government, they are part of that because they are developing the interests of the American deep state. This American deep state is a big problem. We are going to tell you more now. Muhammad Yunus. Muhammad Yunus, we know recently about many news, the political conflicts. His name has also come. But do you know, the Americans are playing a big role in it. The American diplomats especially. Muhammad Yunus, they have made him agree to join the politics. And Muhammad Yunus, who is a political nobody, they are putting him to replace Sheikh Hasina. Recently, the election of Hasina, they claim that it was unfair and have put Muhammad Yunus there. So now Muhammad Yunus, who was a political nobody, a commoner, has now become a leader. Ladies, we are going to tell much more. These American diplomats, they are behaving like they need to fight the elections. Last year, they went on the 2nd of August, on the 15th of August, on the 26th of August 2024, they met many people, who especially not of BJP, of other parties, the opposition parties, and the Congress leader himself. They are behaving like they need to fight the election. Seriously, American diplomats, what are you doing? You're acting like little kids, as if your favorite teacher has given you the assignment to do something. And these American diplomats are not only doing this, but they are opening workshops for small Indian YouTubers, Facebook, Instagram people who have opened their accounts. They're giving them $10,000, $20,000 and $30,000, the dollars in which they are being sold to be pro-American and to be the reason for the end of BJP parties.
Ladies and gentlemen, the game has completely changed, where we all believed that the American deep state was, with the support of Aam Aadmi Party, has now hitched completely and is now supporting the NGO Congress ecosystem. Mark Zuckerberg, who has his own admission of being a loyal lieutenant of the American deep state, has also opened the mask. And all the big leaders like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and of course the American diplomats are just in one group and are just trying to tell the whole world that the Indian democracy has failed. What is the difference between Bangladesh and India? The only difference between Bangladesh and India is that we are a bigger country, we are a stronger country, and we are a larger country. But what are the Americans trying to do? Well, just take a look 2 months ago, where all the Americans were saying that the win of Sheikh Hasina was unfair. And then came what? The coup, who literally transferred Sheikh Hasina's leadership to Muhammad Yunus, who is clearly an American diplomat. But what are the Americans trying to do? The only thing they want is that to create springboards around India and use them to influence the other parties of India and to tell the whole world that the Indian democracy has failed. And also, the only not foreign people are there. People who are losing the elections constantly in India are also a part of this. But who are these people? These are the same people who are questioning the EVMs and the electoral process in India. So, everyone, my message is to spread the truth and tell everyone about this American deep state big tech conspiracy before it's too late. And let the whole world know that those who will meddle with Bharat will always fall, and the Golden Bird will always prevail.
Patriotism is totally not about singing Vande Mataram or dancing on Deshlal Rangila. It's about talking on these topics that will truly empower India like it always was. Thank you.